People, let's level up your pound cake. I am very excited today because we are making a orange blueberry cornmeal pound cake. Vegan. We're gonna start first with our vegan butter. I don't want it to fall out, so there it is, vegan butter. And today I am using raw cane sugar. So good, I love it. So we're gonna beat this for 2 minutes. And is it plugged in? Yes, it's plugged in. We're gonna beat this for 2 minutes and then I'll come back. I was so excited to start this recipe, I forgot, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And we've got to prepare our eggs. So in here I've got 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, ground flaxseed. So that means you're gonna use 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot water. I forgot to boil the water, so I'm just going to use plain old hot water. So I'm gonna put in about 5 tablespoons. So I'm gonna stir this up just a little bit and then set it aside. The reason you wanna start this first is because you want to give the eggs time to bloom, for lack of a better word. So I'm gonna put that aside, let it do its thing. And now go back to creaming the butter. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Okay, that's looking good. Let's move on to the dry. In a separate bowl, you are going to combine all of your dry ingredients. So you're gonna start with your flour, cornmeal, baking powder, your spices, the nutmeg, cinnamon, and salt. And I was talking like there was something else, but there's not, so. Let's go ahead and shake this. Now what's gonna happen, because the cornmeal is heavier, it's actually gonna sink to the bottom. You don't wanna obviously leave it there. You wanna make sure it's mixed up. So I'm actually just gonna take a spoon and make sure that everything is properly incorporated. Now we're gonna move on to the wet. The wet is just as fast as the dry. I'm gonna start with, oh, where's my little mini broken spatula? We're gonna start with the coconut milk. I've been using coconut milk a lot recently. I don't know, I guess summer calls me and I'm just like, coconut, whatever. And to the coconut, I'm gonna add in, don't spill, the orange juice, my vanilla. Quickly mix this up. We're pretty much good to go. Start putting everything together and get it into the oven. Next thing I want to do is add my eggs to the butter and sugar mixture. And I'm gonna beat just until that's incorporated. All right, so let's do this quickly. Then what I'm gonna do is alternate between the dry and wet. So we're gonna start with the dry. You always want to begin with that and end with it. So dry, wet, dry, wet, dry. Okay, once you add in the last bit of flour, again, just mix until combined and stop. And we're gonna add in about a cup of blueberries. Adding them in last because I don't want a purple batter. Again, now let's add a little bit more. Okay, let's mix this up. Not too much, just to make sure you get a blueberry in every slice. And that's good. Okay, I have lined the bottom and 2 of the sides of a bread pan. I'm not gonna worry about the 2 shorter sides. It's still gonna come out super, super easy, just that this makes it easier. So let's add in our mixture. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. All right, I'm just gonna smooth this out just a little bit, make sure it's in all the crevices, and then I'm gonna pop it into the oven for 50 minutes. Yes, 50 minutes, and then it's done. It's awesome. Let's do it. I am genuinely in love with this pound cake. I mean, it's like a slash cornbread pound cake kind of a thing, and it's like a hybrid, and I love it. I love it. In my opinion, the orange and the blueberry and the cornmeal, they go so well together. It's a beautiful mixture. You guys need to give this a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, please, and thank you. And leave a comment downstairs. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. All right, I'm gonna go pack this up so I don't eat anymore for now at least. But until next time, remember to love your food, love your life. Bye.